Hi.
Hi,
Shall we
how are you?
start? Yeah, I'm good,
Yeah.
thanks. Okay. Yeah. So, see, just first of all, just give me a little bit brief introduction about you because I think we did not have any discussion on phone, and then we will be
Yeah, yeah.
starting with our topic. Okay, just give me a little bit brief.
Yeah, so I'm Rameshwar.
Hmm.
I'm a software architect and CEO and CTO in two IT companies.
Okay, okay.
And I've moved into Berlin to support my another startup which is Kendo, based in Sweden, and we want to move it in Germany. And I'm doing MBA here.
Okay, great. Yeah. So, what is the exact requirement to learn German and any prior idea did you have about that?
So German is like we are in Germany, so it
Mm-hmm.
would be very good to if we can communicate in German.
Yeah,
Along
yeah.
with that, we are pitching few clients who are German and they like to speak German other than English.
Right,
So
right.
I'm
Mm-hmm.
targeting those guys as well. And yeah, if we are in Germany and if we have this like C1 kind of certificate, then it's in
Okay. Correct.
good
Great.
thing. Yeah.
Yes. So any previous attempt did you give to learn German anytime earlier?
No. This
No?
I'm just a noob. I've just
Okay.
started with
Good.
Duolingo, but yeah, nothing else.
Okay. Yeah, no, that's for revision only. No worries. Yeah. So we'll start now. See, I've shared my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So the very first topic, whenever we start a new language, the very first topic which we have is of pronunciation, right? So in pronunciation, what do we
Yeah.
do? We basically see about the sounds. We see the letters. We see the script. What script is there? What letters are there? What are the letter names? What are their respective sounds? So on. Okay.
Yeah.
All that we have to see, and then we'll be moving ahead with the grammar and all that step by step. We'll do ahead. Okay. So first
Yeah.
of all, what I'm doing, I'm playing one video. This is your ABCD video, right? The letter names, alphabet names. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
just like in English, we
Mm-hmm.
have something called as this thing A B C D E F G H, right? Just like that, in German also we have one ABCD. So they use the same script which you have in English, same ABCD, same 1 2 3 4, same numeral, same letter names, everything is same. Okay, so same types of script are used in all the European languages, but the difference is the letter names are different and the sounds are different.
Yeah.
Okay. In English, we have something called ABCDEFGH. Here you will have something called as ABCDEFG, something like this. Okay.
Okay.
So what I'm doing, I'm playing this video. Try to listen to it 2 3 times. Okay, and then we will discuss the sounds. Right. I'm playing the video. No need to note down anything. This video, PDF, everything I will be sending you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Okay. I'm playing it once again. Listen to it.
Yeah.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So these are the letter names. Now you have to repeat with me. Speak ABCD,
B C D
AFG,
A F G. Sorry, A B C
AFG,
D A F
ABCD.
G. Okay.
Yeah, slowly. ABCD, AFG,
F J. G is J, right?
AF gay, gay, AF gay.
K. Okay. AFK. Okay.
Ha E yacht ka.
E. Yacht ka.
LMNO pay.
LMNO pay.
Ku air este.
Sorry.
Q is Ku air este.
Q. Air. R or air?
Ku air este.
Q. Air. Stay.
UVW.
UVW. Okay.
Yeah, and then X epsilon set. Okay, repeat again. X
Yeah.
epsilon set. XYZ. X epsilon
X.
set.
Acha, X epsilon or Z. Z.
Yeah, X epsilon Z. Okay.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay, so once again repeat with me. ABCD.
ABCD.
AFG.
EFK. Yeah,
AFG, not EFG. It's AFG.
Acha, okay. E is A. AFK.
Yeah.
Okay.
Letter name is A. AFG.
Yeah.
Then Ha
AFK.
E yacht ka.
Ha E yacht ka.
LMNO pay.
MNO pay.
LMNO pay.
LMNO pay.
Then Ha E yacht ka. LMNO pay. Then Ku air este.
Q air stay.
UVW.
UVW. Okay. UVW. Okay.
Okay. Q air este UVW. And then next is X epsilon set.
X epsilon Z. Okay.
Okay.
I need to practice it.
Yeah, exactly. So I have sent you this video. Check your Skype chat. I have sent you this file.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, so download that file. Go through that video for 10 times. See what is the purpose of this video. Just suppose you are in a German office. Someone is writing your name, and the person doesn't know the English spelling. So at that time, if you tell your spelling like RAMESSWAR, the person will not be able to understand. So
Yeah, I faced it already.
Yeah, you need to provide the German list of letters like R, A, M, A, S, Ha. Okay, then V, then A, then R, then T, R, E, V, A, D, A, and then D, and then E, something like this, right? So this is how we have to do. So go through this video. I've sent you the video. Go through it for 3-4 times. After that, I'm sending you some letter names, some names of people, which we will practice using these letter names. Okay. So go through the video.
Okay.
Once try to learn it properly, and once you're ready, let me know. Then we'll be practicing these names. I'm sending you some names which we have to practice using these letter names. Okay.
Sure. So I need to practice it right now, right?
First of all, you go through the video, then we'll practice it together. Okay? Go through the video, try to learn the letter names, then we'll practice it together. Okay?
Sure.
Let me know once you're ready. Okay.
Yeah, done. I've played it
Okay.
like
Okay.
5-6 times.
Okay. Okay. Repeat the letter names. First of all, repeat with me. ABCD.
A B C D
AFG.
A F K
Ha I Yotka.
H I J K
LMNOP.
L M N O P
QRST.
Q R S T
QRST.
Q R S T U V
UVW. QRST UVW. Then
X
X, Epsilon, und Z. This und means
Epsilon
and.
and
Okay?
Z. Yeah.
Und
Yeah.
means and. That's why we say X, Epsilon, und Z.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. Repeat once again.
Yeah.
ABCD, AFG.
A B C D E A F K
AFG.
yeah F K
Then Ha I Yotka.
H I J K L M N O P
Then QRST
Q R S T U
UVW.
V is Epsilon Z.
Okay? X,
Yeah.
Epsilon, Z.
Yeah. X Epsilon Z. Yeah.
Right? Okay, now there are
Yeah.
some names written. Try to speak them one by one. Speak them. Speak the names.
Yeah. So you want me to speak word or the complete
Letter names. Like first is Vishnu, so you will spell out the letters like F, E, S, F, E, S, H, N, U, like this.
Okay. So first is like V E S H N U.
Next.
V E O D H. Deha.
Next.
S E V A K U
Yeah.
M E sorry R D E. Okay.
Next.
P O what was the W? Oh. Way. Okay. Way, right?
V is foul. W is way. Okay.
Way, yeah.
V is foul, W is way. P O V A.
P O V A L L
Yeah.
K A
Hmm.
O R K A.
Next.
Foul E N A T H A R A O.
Next.
L A uh, what is this cake?
Ka. Ka.
Cow. Okay. L A K S H M E R O V A L T S O U Z A.
Next.
G A U R A V. Sorry, V. S H A R M A.
Yeah.
S A N T U S E N H A.
Hmm.
S E B E. Okay. P A V V A N K U M A R. It's too
Yeah.
tough. Okay. M A H A S H M A N E S H S O M A N E
Hmm.
T A P A K A K T A S H A E T A N Epsilon A M E S H A R A.
Yeah.
Okay. K U M A R R A Epsilon U D U R A M A
Hmm.
S H
Hmm.
V A R T A R E V A D E.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Done.
Yeah.
So
Seems
this
like you need to
completes.
start from.
Yeah. Take your time. There's no hurry. Okay. See what happens now. Every topic looks difficult in the beginning. Once you move to next topic, then you
Yeah.
will find the new topic becomes difficult, and this topic will become more easy. So it happens like that only until you clear B1, B2, C1. So it will happen each and every day. You will find new thing. So you will get used to.
Okay.
But the only thing is that just try to retain, take your time. Okay, that is the only thing. It's very easy subject. It's not difficult. If you do go systematically, you will find it's more easy
Yeah.
than English, and it's like very interesting, very easy. It's something which you can actually experience after the class, right? That is the thing. So it's not
Yeah.
something like physics or chemistry, not like that. So it's very, if you go rule by rule systematically, then you will find it's very easy. It's not difficult. It looks difficult only until
Okay.
you know the rules and all. Okay. So see,
Yeah.
what was the purpose of those letters? As I told you, you have seen, like the problem in this language is that they write something else, they speak something else. That's why we are putting so much time on these letters, pronunciation, and all that. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you don't
Yeah.
learn the letter name, then simply forget grammar, forget sentence framing. Simply in speaking out a letter name, you can do a mistake. So that's why each and every topic is important. Whether it's small or big, everything is important. Or every new thing is
Yeah.
having equal importance. Okay. So now I have shared my screen again. See now what we have to do. We have to understand the sounds. So far, what we have
Okay.
done, we have learned the letter names like in English ABCD, in German ABCD. Okay.
Okay.
But when I example, when I call your name, I call you Rameshwar. You call me Raman. Right?
Yeah.
You don't call me
Yeah.
Raman. I don't call you Rameshwar. Clear? Because
Yeah.
that was a letter name. Okay? The letter name is different thing. Now we have to understand the sounds, because when we speak a sentence is made of words. 4, 5, 6, 7 words are there in each sentence. A word is made of sounds. Sounds of what? Sounds of the constituent letters in that. Okay?
Okay.
Example, my
Okay.
name is Raman. So you are speaking a word called Raman. So how you are framing Raman? You are using the sound of Ra plus A plus Ma plus A. You are mixing everything together and then somehow you speak Raman. Right?
Yeah.
Okay? Because you know sound of R is Ra, A sound here is A, M sound is Ma. So you are mixing everything. So now that is what we have to do in German. In German we have done only letter names. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now totally different thing. We have to do the sounds. Okay, that what is the sound of letter A, or you can say in German A. What is the sound of letter B, or in German letter B? Abecede. So what are the sounds of these abecede? That is what we have to do now. That is the actual topic. Okay. So
Okay.
if you see here, yeah, this PDF also I will send you. No need to note down. Just try to understand. Try to retain the rules. This is very very important. So see, as I told you, it uses the same Roman set of letters, same ABCD. Two parts are there. Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are your B, C, D till Z. Okay.
Okay.
So first of all,
Okay.
first rule is that whenever any word in German, if it is ending with B, D or G, any word in German, if it is ending with B, D or G, ending means in the end of the word if B, D or G is coming, then respectively the sound will be per, t and k. P, T and K sound will come. Okay. The
Okay.
sound will
P,
be,
T, and K.
yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Sound will be per, t and k. In the end, whenever B, D or G is coming in the end, sound will be per, t and k. So if you see the example, GIB. Right, so you can see B is coming in the end. So the sound will be geep. Speak
Okay.
geep. Okay. Right. Speak these
Yeah.
examples. Geep. Speak geep.
Geep. Yeah.
Next.
Geep.
Kint.
Kind.
Kind.
Kint.
Yeah. D in the end is ta. So kind and then tak.
Tak. Okay.
Okay. Geep, kint
Yeah.
and tak. So B in the end is BDG, PTK in the end. So geep, kint and tak. Okay. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Right. So see, this is the actual word. This geep, kin, tak. This is the actual word. In the middle is the sound. After the class, if you want to refer the sounds, you can refer this middle column. This is not the word. Actual word is this one, left hand side, black one.
Okay.
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 And rightmost is the meaning. So meanings also you can leave right now. We don't have to do anything with the meanings. Leave it.
Okay.
Okay. So geep, kint, and tak. Now what is the next one? Next letter is A. So A is having two sounds in German. Okay, A is having two
Okay.
sounds in German. First sound is A and second sound is A. Okay, A is
Okay.
having two sounds. First sound is A and second sound is A. A, like if you see your name is having the first A, that is the A, Rameshwar. Okay, Ra. Clear?
Okay.
And second is A like this your second A, Var, this one A. Okay, so you can see
Okay.
both the sounds are there. Clear? Ra and Var. The first sound is A and the second sound is A. Like kind of little bit lesser A. So how you will decide?
Okay.
You have to count the consonants after A. What are consonants? This B, C, D till Z, these are called as consonants. You have to count the
Okay.
consonants coming after A. If it is one consonant after A directly, it will have the A sound, otherwise A sound. Okay?
Okay.
After A, if it is one consonant, then it will have the A sound, otherwise A sound. Directly you have to count direct consonants. So after A, tell me how many consonants here? Two?
No, two consonants.
L and
Yeah.
T, two are there. Okay, one more. After A, how many? Second example. After A, how many?
3.
No, only one. After A, only G is there, no? Directly. After G,
Okay.
we have
Okay.
E.
Okay.
So E is a vowel. So E is not a consonant. So we have to count the direct values only. Direct consonant is only one. So this becomes A sound and this becomes A sound. So alt, fragen and tragen.
Okay.
Okay, got it? Alt,
Yeah.
fragen and tragen. Tell me, any doubt till here?
No. So Rameshwar would become Rameshwar. Va.
After
Yeah.
A, you have more than one. So they will speak like R.
Okay.
Okay, something like this. And the last one, they will speak like var. Second letter is having only one value. After A, only one consonant, they will speak like A. So they will speak something like Ramesh War, and this they will get confused in this essay because this syllable is not there. See, what happens is that like the words which are copying, which we are copying from other languages, like this word we have copied from Hindi actually. Okay,
Yeah.
from
Yeah.
Hindi
Yeah.
you have copied to
Yeah.
English, right? And now you are copying from Hindi to German, so you have to speak it like its native language only, right? The person who is a non-Indian, he has to understand how to speak. He should speak Rameshwar only. We don't break the proper nouns which are copied from other languages. Okay, like example, Himalayas are there, so you will say Himalaya only, whether it is German, French, Spanish, whatever. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So in these cases, you don't have to worry, right? But yeah, whenever you are speaking, then you should follow these rules. Whenever you are speaking some non-native word.
Okay. Got it.
Right. Okay. So alt, fragen, and tragen. Speak the example. Alt, fragen, and tragen.
Alt, fragen, and tragen. Okay.
Yeah. Next is the letter B. Sorry, not B, letter E. We will take the vowels first. Next is letter E. Right?
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay. So
Yeah.
E is having the A sound. Okay. E is
A,
having the
okay.
A sound. A. There is no counting. It's a simple A sound. A like
Okay.
mathematical area. Right?
Okay.
Okay. So speak the example right hand side.
Asen
Hmm.
and eagle. Eagle. Okay. Eagle.
Egal.
Egal. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. 2A. Yeah. A is. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Right? SNN egal. Okay. So after A only one
Yeah.
consonant. So that is SNN egal.
Egal. Yeah.
Next is I. I is having two sounds. Okay.
Yeah.
After I, if it is one consonant, then it is long E, otherwise short E.
Okay. So if we are having one constant after E, then it's double E. It's T. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
And if it's not having any, then
After I, no, then it will be normal E only. Okay.
okay.
So after I, if it is one constant and long E, otherwise short E. So speak the example. Ist, wieder, and built.
Ist. Okay. Ist. Wieder. Bit. Okay.
Ist, wieder, and built. Right? After I, it is three consonants, short E. Ist, wieder, and built. Next is O.
Okay.
O is having again two rules. After O, if it is one constant, then O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome. Okay. After O,
Okay.
if it is one
Okay.
consonant, then it is O sound. O for Korea or O for solar. Otherwise, O for awesome. So speak the example. Order.
Order.
Then
Order.
next is Zol. Single S is the and double S is sir.
Okay.
Right. Single S is the
So
and then double S is sir.
okay. Soul. Okay. Soul. Yeah.
Order. Zol.
Yeah.
Order,
Soul.
Zol, Monad, and Corp.
Monad and Cob. Yeah. Cob.
Okay, next is U. U is having the U sound. There is no counting, no logic, no short and long U. Okay, normal U sound.
Okay.
Speak the
Okay.
example. Tune.
Mutter, and Shun. Yeah.
Shoe. SH is shirt. Tune, mutter, and shoe.
Shoe. Okay.
Right? Okay, good. So now what you have to do, see, we'll go a little bit slowly. Okay, so I'm sending you this PDF file first of all. So go through this PDF file, the letters A, E, I, O, and U. Go through it completely.
Okay.
Go through it for 5 minutes. Try to go through it 5, 10, 20 times. Try to understand the rule. Try to retain the rule. Remember the rule. Try to understand the example. If you have any doubt, you can ask me together. And then after that, you will explain me all the rules and the examples. A, E, I, O, U only. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Done? Ready?
Yeah, just 2 more.
Okay, go through it. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we'll go a little bit slowly today. Take your time, there is no hurry. Okay, but whatever you do now, like whatever 5, 10, 20 letters you are doing today, you should be doing it like 100% properly. Okay, right? So
Yeah.
if you have any doubt, you ask me.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, I am sharing my screen. You can see the rule You have to explain me the rule and the example, okay? You can see and then explain in short. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Okay. So when vowels there is only one single constant, then we call A as in A, and if there is multiple constant after the immediate vowel, so we call it So like ALT become alt, and fragan become fragan, and trajan become tragen.
Okay. One more
The
rule was there on the top. BDG, PTK. This is very important. Don't forget this. Okay. Any word
Okay.
ending with BD and G, sound is part and ka, geep, kint and tak. Don't forget that rule. It's not written anywhere, so don't forget that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next E.
So E is always A. So Asan become Asan, and eagle become like eagle. We have A vowel as well. So A is converted into double A because there is only one constant after it.
Egal.
Yeah.
Okay.
And E become A. So egal. And then we have I. So I sounds like one is long E and another is E. Okay. So there is only one vowel, constant, then it's double E. And when there is multiple constants, then it's E here. For example, like east become east. Okay. And Wieder become Wieder.
East Vida and
build become built. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So there is one more question which is I.
O. A, E, I we have done. Next is O. Okay.
Okay. So when O is coming directly after single question, then it's O. Otherwise, it's O.
O for awesome.
Oh yeah. Okay. O and O.
O and O, exactly.
Yeah. So order become order. And soul become soul. Okay. Awesome. So soul. Monad become monad. Okay. And carp become carp. Quarp. B become P. Okay. Quarp. Okay. Yes, and U is always U. So it's like tun, mutter, and shu or shun. Okay.
Yeah, shoe. Tone, mutter, and shoe.
Yeah, shu. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Right. Now you can see my screen. Okay. See one more thing before that. See, shoe. I told you, na SCH is a combination. These combinations we'll be doing in the next class. Once we finish till Z, then we'll be doing the combination. So SCH is sh, right?
Okay.
SCH is sh.
Okay.
This becomes shoe.
Okay.
Right? Then next is B. B in the end is pa and beginning of middle is B for Bombay. Okay. B in the end is pa and beginning of middle is B for Bombay. So speak the example. Belen.
Okay. So Belen. Oben. And Carp. Yeah, Carp. And Gip.
Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep. Right?
Carp, yeah.
Yeah. Next is C. C is having the K sound only. Right? C is having the K sound, K sound. So this word they have taken from English. So as I told you, the words which we are importing from other language, more or less they sound like the original language only. So you can simply say camping also. You can say camping also. You can say camping also.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So next is D. D in the end is T and beginning of middle is D for dog. Right? D in the end is T and beginning of middle is D for dog.
Dog, yeah. Okay.
So speak the example. Doom.
Yeah, doom.
Next, bider. Again one combination is there. Combination EI. EI is I sound.
Yeah.
Okay. EI is I sound. And one more thing, I told you the rule for E. Okay, rule for E, I told you A, but one exception is there. Whenever E comes in the end, see my mouse pointer. Whenever E comes in the end, sound is This is bider. Don't call bide. Okay.
Bider.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Bider. So EI is a combination. See, vowel combinations are different. Okay. EI is a fixed sound. EI is I always. EI
Okay.
is I and E in the end is this becomes Bider. And the next one
Okay.
is Wieder. I is E Wieder.
Okay. Wieder. Okay.
Right. Next one is I is E. This becomes Wieder. Okay. Then
Wieder.
I is E. Then what is the next one?
But.
Bart. Very good. D in the end is T. This becomes Bart. Okay.
Yeah.
And after that, next one is Hand. H-A-N-D. Right.
Hunt.
Hunt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hunt.
Don't make it
Yeah.
full hunt. Okay. Little bit I you have to put. Little bit A. Okay. Hunt.
Okay.
Right.
Hunt.
Hunt.
Okay.
Little
Yeah.
bit A. Hunt. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Hunt.
Then
Yeah.
after that, after hunt, the next one which we have is F. So F is the simple first sound. Okay. So speak the example,
Yeah.
and AU is ow. AU is a vowel combination. AU is ow.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
AU is ow. So speak the example, foul and sharp.
Foul and
Sharp.
shauf. Okay.
Foul and sharp. Right.
Okay.
Okay. Next is G. G in the end is ka and beginning of middle is ga for gun. Okay. G in the end is ka and beginning of middle is ga for gun. So speak the example, gegen,
Gegen.
Tag and
Tag.
Klug. Yeah.
Klug.
Okay. Gegen, Tag and Klug. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Next is H. H in the beginning is ha and middle or end it is silent.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. In
H
middle
the
it's
beginning is
silent
ha.
and
Exactly.
in the last ha. Okay.
Yeah. Everywhere. Middle also it is silent. Only first position, beginning is ha. Rest everywhere silent.
Okay.
Okay.
So beginning it's ha and then it's silent.
Yes. Speak the example, halt, gain and zen.
Halt, Gen, and Zen.
Yes, you can see it is silent here, so don't call it Gehan. That's wrong. It's silent. Gain and Zen. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Next is J. J is year for yellow, year sound. Speak the example, Younger.
Younger.
Okay. E in the end is This becomes Younger. Clear?
Younger. Okay.
And last is KLMNP for today. That is same like Hindi or English. K, L, M, N, P, KLMNP sound. So speak the example,
Okay.
Klasa.
Klasse,
Chicken.
Chicane.
Chicken. Normal. You don't have to extend it. Chicken.
Okay.
Not like that. Normal. Chicken.
Okay. Okay. Chicken.
Hmm.
And the Keller.
Keller.
And Will.
Will.
Okay. Atman.
Atman. Little bit A. Don't make it full of Atman. It's Atman. Little bit A. Atman.
Earthman. Okay.
Little bit A. Little bit A. Atman.
Earthman. Okay.
Next.
Earthman. Okay.
Swim.
Swim.
Rennen.
Rene.
Rennen.
Renan. Brown.
Brown.
Lipper.
Lipper. Okay. Rennen,
Lipper.
Brown and Lipper.
Lipper. Okay.
Right?
Got it.
Okay. So go through this PDF completely. Okay.
Yeah.
Go through the complete PDF for 5-7 minutes, A till P, everything. And let me know if you need after
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, got it.
Any doubt so far? Tell me.
Yeah, it's good as of now.
Okay.
Seems,
Okay.
yeah.
Go through it once again. Try to remember the rules. Then we will discuss the entire PDF from top, from A till P. Okay.
Yeah. So if we pronounce C as in say, okay, and here we are calling it as in K. Sorry.
Yeah. So
Yeah, in
plus
the ABCD we were reading this as in C, right? C or say.
ABCD.
And
That
here,
was letter name. That was letter name. Now this is sound. That is what we are doing, right?
okay.
Okay. Example A.
Okay.
The letter name was A, and the rules are totally different. The sounds are like A and A. Similarly, B. The
So,
letter name was B, and the sounds are having two scenarios. First, whenever it's coming in the end, sound is P, and remaining cases it is B for Bombay. B. Okay.
uh,
So letter.
okay, so when we are guiding them to letters, we are
Hmm.
like when we are telling our name in a letter, so we will be speaking this A, B, C, D.
Yes, yes.
And
It's not.
when we are
Hmm,
pronouncing it, we will be using this vowel in
Yes,
constantly.
yes, yes. It is not just about telling the name. See, whenever you have any scenario wherein you are speaking any capital letter, example, there's one
Okay.
car company called BMW, right? Now you will not call
Yeah.
BMW, you will say BMW. Clear? Example,
Yeah.
there's one car company called
Yeah.
Volkswagen. In short, they called VW. VW, so VW. Got it? So
Yeah.
that is the thing. So whenever
Yeah.
you have any capital letter, na, it's not just about telling the letter of name only. It can be anything, any capital letter. Example, you have CD, the movies which we watch, na, movie CD. So you have CD. So you will not call CD, you will say Sede,
Yeah.
Abed Sede, Sede, like this. Okay?
Okay. Got
Right?
it.
So whenever in
Yeah.
capital letter, we'll use the letter name, and whenever we want to speak a word, we will be using the sounds. Sounds are these what we have done these rules in the PDF. Okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
we have not
Got
finished them. We have just done only till P. Only like 45% content we have done today. So next lecture also we'll be doing
Okay.
the same topic. We'll be moving ahead from Q till Z, and then I told you about combinations. So few combinations we have done like SCH, then EI, then IE, then AU. There are four combinations we have done so far. So around 20 more are there. That is the more important topic than this, right? So once you finish that, then you will find each and every word of German you will be able to speak like a native. That is the benefit of these rules. We'll be practicing them for. That's why I devote like 2 to 3 hours on this, 2 to 3 lectures on this ABCD topic only.
Okay.
Usually, what happens outside, if you see, they will just take ABCD video and then they will start the greeting and hello, guten Tag, wie heißen Sie, and they start with their grammar directly. So that approach is very harmful because this language is not simple like English or Spanish that you can whatever it's written you can just read it like English. It's not possible. So you have to understand these rules first of all. These sounds we have to understand and then we have to practice these sounds. So far, we've just gone through the PDF, right? In the next class, I'll be giving you like hundreds of words and then some passages I will be giving you to read. Once you get comfortable in that, then you can see the difference. That okay, now you can any newspaper or magazine if you have, you will be able to read that properly, loudly and clearly. You will be able to read that. It's just the effort of these rules. So we'll be spending more time on them in coming two more lectures.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. So tell me any doubts so
Yeah.
far. We've done A till P. Any doubts so far? No.
No, it's so far I'm good.
Okay. Okay. Then we'll just revise it one last time. I have shared my screen. You can speak the examples. Only the examples you have to speak. Geep, kind, talk. Speak the examples. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Gib,
Hmm.
Kint, Tak,
Hmm.
and the Alt,
Hmm.
Fragen, Tragen,
Hmm.
Eisen,
Essen. Essen. Essen.
Essen. Okay.
Hmm. You don't have to
Essen.
break it. Essen. No, not like that. In a short flow. Essen.
Essen. Okay.
Hmm.
Egal,
Hmm.
and then Ist,
Ist.
Ist, Ist, and wieder,
Hmm.
Bild,
Hmm.
and wieder. Yeah.
Yeah. Ist wieder built. Then oder?
Yeah. And then Oder,
Hmm.
Soul, Monat, Kaup,
Hmm.
and Tun, Mutter, Shoe,
Hmm.
and yeah, that's all I will do.
Yeah. Belen. Oben.
Okay. Yeah, Belen, Oben, Korp, Gip.
Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep.
Yeah.
Next. C.
See the camping, camping,
Camping. Camping. Okay.
camping. Okay. Camping. Yeah.
Next is D.
Yeah. So doom,
Hmm.
bite,
Bida.
biter, whiter, bet, hunt,
Hmm.
and then foul, shove,
Yeah.
and then
Foul and
cheat.
shaft.
Yeah, shove, and gegen, tag, kluk. Yeah.
Yeah, gegen, Tag and klug. Next is H.
H is halt,
Hmm.
gain, zen,
Hmm.
and yellow,
Junge.
Junge, okay, Kalasi,
Cluster, not classy. Cluster.
Klasse, okay, Klasse, okay, Chicken, Keller, Will, Earthman,
Atman.
yeah, Schwim,
Hmm.
Rennen,
Hmm.
Brown, Lippe,
Lipper. Lemon brown and lipper.
Lippe, okay,
Okay, got it.
yeah.
Okay, so let's do till here today, right? Okay, just revise it everything. Revise it 4 to 5 times. We'll do till here today. 1 second. Let me close this.